Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn free USDT directly to your faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum on faucetpay, you are going to be sending your earnings directly to your trustwallet account without any investment of any kind. And when I mean no investment, I mean no investment coming from your own side. So guys, to know how to get this started, please and please make sure to follow this video till the end so that you don't miss out on any of the steps I'm going to be showing you, and you can earn free money from this site and a lot of money. So guys, watching this video, please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, this site which I'm going to be showing you, the link to this site is left in the description box below. All you need to do is to go to the description box and tap on the link over there. So when you come on this site, you are going to be logging into the site. So I'm going to log out now, so I'm going to be showing you how to log in to the site. So guys, all you need to do, as you can see over here, it says sign in. Now all you need to do over here is to input your email address in this section which says enter your faucetpay email address. Now you're going to be inputting the email address you use in registering your faucetpay, and when that is done, you come down and verify that you are human by clicking this link over here to verify that you are human. And after that is done, you are going to be logged in successfully. Now it says click image containing pineapple on a plate. So we're going to be doing this. Now after this is done, all you need to do is to tap on login, which is over here. Now when you click on login, you're going to be successfully logged in. So guys, on this site, as you can see, I've been successfully logged in, and you can earn unlimitedly from this site. Now when I mean unlimitedly, I mean there is no limit to your earnings on this site, and you can earn more cryptocurrencies apart from USDT. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you on USDT. Now all you need to do is to tap on this, which is over here, tap on faucet. Now when you click on faucet, as you can see over here, unlimited USDT faucet, as you can see over here, you're going to be earning 500 Satoshi of USDT. Now all you need to do is to scroll down and complete this captcha which over here, which says I am human. Now when you click on it, you're going to be verifying this captcha. Now after your verification, all you need to do is to click on claim, which is over here. Now when you click on claim, 500 Satoshi of USDT is going to be added to your balance. As you can see over here, this is what I have over here. Now you can do this unlimitedly. You can repeat this over and over and over again. So guys, this is how you can earn free USDT from this site. Now on the withdrawal process, all you need to do, go back to your dashboard. Now when you are on your dashboard, as you can see, we have 1000 Satoshi of USDT, as you can see over here. Now all you need to do to withdraw, when you've earned enough USDT, as there is no minimum withdrawal, all you need to do is, as you scroll down, you tap on this select cryptocurrency, which is over here, to select the cryptocurrency. And for this we have USDT. Now all you need to do after choosing USDT, go over here and click on withdraw. Now when you click on withdraw, your earnings are going to be sent directly to your faucetpay. As you can see over here, 1000 Satoshi of USDT has been sent to my faucetpay account. So guys, I'm going to be going to my faucetpay account to see if the withdrawal of 1000 Satoshi has really arrived. So guys, as you can see over here, my withdrawal has arrived successfully. So guys, this is how you can earn for free on this site. And the best thing about this faucet is that it is unlimited. You can earn unlimitedly any cryptocurrency of your choice. So guys, if you know you love this video and you enjoy what we're doing on this channel, please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be the first to be notified. And also leave us a nice comment in the comment section below. Now also, if you want to watch more videos on how to earn, click on the click on the end screen, which is going to be appearing in front of this video. Now when you tap on it, it's going to be leading you directly to my next video on how to earn, so you too can also make free money on cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.